How to send videos on Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to send videos on Gmail. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Gmail app is up to date. So go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store if you have not updated your Gmail yet, and then search for Gmail. And make sure to click on that update button if it is available on the rightmost part of Gmail. So click on open, and then right here simply click on compose found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you have clicked on compose, you may now then type in your recipient, your subject, and then compose an email. And the most important thing, in order for you to send a video, simply click on this attachment button or this paperclip button found on the upper right of the screen. And then you may click on all right here if you want to and choose the video that you want. For example, I will choose this video. Click on choose found on the lower right corner of the screen and then wait for it to load. So as you can see, it is compressing my video since this video is large. And then do also take note that Gmail has a a maximum storage or a megabyte for a video. So I think if your video will exceed 10 megabytes, then it will send um a Google Drive link instead of the actual video. So as you can see right here, the attachment limit is only 25 megabytes. Then you may click on OK, and then you may go to um let's say for example an web browser and search for video compressor. And then once you search for video compressor, you may choose the freeconvert.com right here. And then you may upload your video right here first and download your video afterwards. And then you may go back to this section right here. Again, click on the attachment, choose your video, and then that's it. That's how you can send videos on Gmail. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.